Let us have an honest conversation today. Not an alarmist one, not a motivational one, an honest one. Because there's something happening right now, quietly, steadily, without dramatic announcement, that is going to affect more working people than almost any economic event in recent memory. Most of the people it will affect are not preparing for it. For years, the conversation about automation and job loss was focused on manual, repetitive, physical work, factory jobs, assembly line workers. The narrative was clear. Machines replace muscle. Knowledge workers are safe. This narrative is now demonstrably wrong. The jobs being disrupted fastest by AI in 2025 and 2026 are not factory jobs. They are white-collar jobs, knowledge work. Junior lawyers doing document review and contract drafting. Entry-level accountants doing data reconciliation. Customer service representatives, data analysts, copywriters, graphic designers, medical transcriptionists, paralegals, junior software developers doing routine code generation, HR professionals screening CVs. These are the jobs that the educated middle class has been trained for, aspires to, and depends on. These are the jobs that justify the university fees, the professional certifications, the years of training. And AI tools that exist right now, are performing significant portions of these roles faster, cheaper, and more accurately. The scale of what is happening. Goldman Sachs estimated that AI could automate tasks currently performed by the equivalent of 300 million full-time workers globally. Not eliminate 300 million jobs entirely, automate significant portions of that many jobs. IBM announced it would pause hiring for roles it expected AI to replace, approximately 7,800 positions. BT Group in the UK announced plans to cut 55,000 jobs by 2030, with AI and automation cited as a primary driver. Klarna replaced 700 customer service agents with an AI tool doing the work of 700 people at a fraction of the cost. Duolingo cut a significant portion of its contractor workforce, stating explicitly that AI was now handling work previously done by those contractors. For every company that makes a public announcement, there are dozens quietly doing the same thing, hiring fewer people, contracting less, automating the routine portions. The job losses are often invisible. The position that is not refilled, the team that does not grow, the contract that is not renewed. Nigeria produces over 500,000 university graduates annually. The economy has struggled to absorb this talent. Youth unemployment and underemployment are chronic, structural problems that government have failed to solve. The jobs that have historically provided the clearest pathway to stable income for Nigerian graduates are exactly the jobs most exposed to AI disruption. The BPO sector, call centers, and back-office operations is particularly vulnerable. The entire economic logic of BPO was that labor in developing countries is cheaper. AI is cheaper than labor anywhere. BPO companies globally are already deploying AI for the routine tasks that formed the backbone of this employment. For individual Nigerians building careers in these sectors, the question is not whether disruption is coming, it is how fast. AI is very good at tasks that are routine, pattern-based, language-based, data-heavy, and well-defined. AI is significantly less good at physical manipulation, genuine interpersonal relationship management, original creative direction, complex ethical judgment, entrepreneurial problem-solving. Trades and physical skilled work, electricians, plumbers, construction, mechanics, are substantially less exposed. Robots that can perform complex physical tasks in varied environments remain far more limited than AI systems that can process language and data. High-context relationship roles, senior sales, complex negotiation, community leadership, pastoral work remain human-dependent. Entrepreneurship and small business, the ability to identify local problems, build customer relationships, and create value is not something AI can replicate. Creative direction and strategy, the original vision, the strategic insight. The AI job disruption story is ultimately a financial story about income security, about what skills are worth investing in, about how to build a financial life that can survive a career disruption. Preparation 1. Build an emergency fund that can cover 6 to 12 months. In an environment of accelerating job disruption, the honest advice is 6 to 12 months, not 3 to 6. If your role is disrupted, you need the financial runway to retrain, reposition, or rebuild. Building this fund is the single most important financial move you can make right now. Preparation 2. Identify the skills that are genuinely AI resistant and start building them now. Not the skills you are told were safe, the skills that are actually safe. Trades, relationships, entrepreneurship, creativity. These are the skills AI cannot replicate. Preparation 3. Build income streams outside your primary job before you need them. The time to build a side income is when you have a full-time job, not when you've lost it. Preparation 4. Reduce your fixed expenses so your survival baseline is lower. The lower your survival baseline, the longer your emergency fund lasts. Most people will wait until the disruption reaches them to act. That is the expensive option. The cheaper option is to prepare while you still have time. AI is eliminating jobs right now, not in the future, now. The question is not whether it will affect you, it is whether you will be ready when it does. If this changed how you think about your career, hit that like button and subscribe. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Drop a comment. Are you preparing for AI disruption?